What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be unboxing a Nintendo Labo today. Okay. Well, if you guys haven't seen this, this is kind of like a kind of innovative thing to do with your Nintendo Switch system. You can create things like they have here. This is the variety pack. It was like 70 bucks or something. Oh my god! But definitely a fun project to do if you're pretty young. Maybe you do it with your parents and stuff like that. But you can make pretty neat stuff. You can make a piano. You can make like a fishing rod, some kind of like remote control car or something like that, but out of cardboard, which is the cool part. And you just need a Nintendo Switch system. And yeah, let's get over my shoulder and unbox this thing. All right, so let's see. Sorry if this is not a good angle. I never did this is my first unboxing video. Ah, fuck, I hate these like plastic circles. All right, that's why you got keys. You know, you just take it, and I should really get a pair of scissors. You know, just like such. look, real quick, Rocket's watching me. He's like, "What the hell are you doing, human?" All right. Well, anyways, get the circle off. Woo! All right. Oh yeah. Let's undress this bad boy. How? There we go. There we go. I can open boxes. It's easy. All right. So we got our. Oh, we actually have to plug in the game. This is the game. Oh, there we go. And go ahead and open that bad boy up. All right, there's that game. You know, I don't know why they make the box so big. It's like there's no pamphlet. It's just the little pink cartridge. Oh. Okay. So go ahead and get a better angle. There we go. So I guess we got some like rubber bands or something and stickers and a lot. Oh my god, a lot of cardboard. Okay, so we got this. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Wow, it really is just cardboard. There's a lot of them. I feel like I'm building a Gundam or something out of cardboard. All right. We got house. Oh, there's a little picture right here. It says house. Building house. And then we got motorcycle. Okay, so we get to choose what we want to do. No, when I first saw the video, they said they had a piano, and I was like, oh, I want to make that. I don't know how to play piano or anything, but it'd be pretty cool to make one. Right. And yeah, there's the unboxing. How do we? Oh my god. We actually have to. Where's the game? We have to get the game and put it in our Nintendo Switch system. So let me go grab my Nintendo Switch, and we'll try to make one of these bad boys. Stay tuned. Okay. We got our Nintendo Switch. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let me adjust you guys real quick. All right. Just gotta take out Splatoon 2. And we'll put in the Nintendo Labo. I hope there's not like too big of a loading. Let's see. It looks like we go straight in. Cool. All right. At the whoa, there's an update for the controllers. What? Huh. Okay, I started up the game. It wants us to make a Joy-Con holder. It looks like this. And yeah, let's try to find it. I mean, I kind of mixed them up earlier. Oh man. Okay, we got a fishing pole. What is this? Huh. Oh, of course it'll be the bottom one. Okay. Is it? Okay. So just remove this part from A. Don't bend anything. Oh, okay. So I guess we just pop it out. We're gonna pop it out, guys. Let's see. Oh, okay. You gotta be real careful. You don't want to tear this. Whoa. Sorry, I wish I could show you guys the tutorial. I'll probably skip to when I'm actually making this stuff. So they sort of have this video right here. See, you can kind of go 360 and look at the object, so you know which way to bend it. It's kind of like folding origami. Kind of neat. I have to have a finger. I have to have a finger on the play button to play the video, but as soon as you take off your finger, you can't do anything. Okay, so we're supposed to bend. Let's go ahead and bend this. Yeah, I'll get you guys good and close. Huh. I'll probably fast forwarding through a lot of this. It's cool. I made our first thing. Huh. It holds the Joy-Con. And it feels like a hot pocket holder. That's what it feels like. Alright, let's go on to the next thing. Oh man. I want to make the piano for you guys. Can we choose what to make? Oh, we can. There's 6 steps. There's 6 steps to the piano, guys. Let's see. We also have to have the plastic bag of goodies. Step number 1, make the main body. Okay, so we need part A and part B. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these parts out. Oh, come on. Woo. I almost thought I ripped for a second. Okay. And go. Oh shit, it ripped. No, it didn't. Good, we're good. Oh my god, there's so many parts. Okay. Oh. Now we're making the keys. Oh, all right. Oh, we're back, and I kind of skipped most of the filming, but like, man, it took me like 2 hours to build this thing. This is probably the most complex one of the variety kit, but I got the piano, I think, done. So here it is right here. We got the piano, you know, we got our keys and all that stuff. And I haven't even tried it out yet. But the last thing we need to do is take our Joy-Con, and I think we just slide this sucker in. Let me get it out. All right. So we just gotta put it in right there, right there. Nice where you can see it. Just insert it like that. Did I do it? All right, and looks like we are done. The piano's ready. Let's make some music. All right, let's play now. What do we do? Oh, it's lifting off to space. I don't know if you guys can see this here. There's a lot of glare right now. Okay, let me see. Oh. All right. Well, here, I'll try to get you better situated here. So, basically, this is what we got right here. We can. All right. Well, it looks like we have enough to make a scale. It's not obviously it's not a full grand piano going on, but enough to make a song. At least I wish I know how to play the piano. Honestly. Hold on. Huh. Aha! That's the only song I know. I can't do chopsticks on this song though. Alright. We also have these, I'm not sure what these do. I think they changed the tone. What's this? Oh, they changed the music. So instead of being piano, it's actually vocals. I think it's doing do re mi, huh? Oh, let's check out the other ones. So you just put in these knobs here and it changes it up here. That one sounds weird. It's like a person groaning. I think I was doing a song on accident. What was that? Dun, dun. It's almost like the graduation song. All right. Let's try out one. Yeah, two more. There's cat noises. Alright, that's silly. And what's the last one? Oh, that made my other controller vibrate. What was it? It's like making my desk vibrate. It's crazy. Huh. Well, anyways, that was a piano. It took me kind of all day to make this thing. Not gonna lie. So I think I'll probably make some other things. We have like the fishing pole and some kind of dollhouse thing. I'll probably do it on a different episode, but for now, that was our unboxing video / making the piano video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And look forward to our next unboxing video or the next build video for the Nintendo Lab. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.